Let's move on to the European movers.
We stay in France actually for our first European mover, and that's BNP Paribas. BNP, the ticker in Paris there, one of the larger French banks. It's posted its best quarterly profits since 2012. The headline numbers were flattered by disposal of a big stake in Klépierre, but it's also fair to say that corporate and investment banking profits rose 26% to just over €1 billion. Should also note that their rivals Natixis posted good numbers after the close yesterday. So it's not just
interesting pattern. These banks seem to be bouncing back, apart from the regulatory fines.
Yeah, regulatory fines and the issues of compliance are still a burden to them, but they do seem to be finding their feet again. The market quite likes what it sees at BNP Paribas, so they're up 2.5% at €59.14. And then one that's had me scratching my head today to some extent, Intercontinental Hotels, ticker IHG in London. £26.64p, down 3% on the day. Now, they had good numbers yesterday, and the FT is adamant this morning that they, as a company, have held preliminary discussions with Starwood Hotels, and there's been much talk of them potentially merging. There was a small piece in some of the trade press talking about the management denying that they'd met with Starwood, but to be fair, it's hard to pin that story down, and the fall is a bit of a mystery. But it seems odd. They should have had good numbers yesterday. There should be the bid talk resurfacing, and the stock should be down. But perhaps it's better to travel to arrive.
Yes, I think there's been a lot, and that's a very old story, so a little bit tired perhaps. And also maybe just flush out a few people before any deal might come ahead.
Well, quite possibly.